Hi, this is Dan from RX Sleeve once again, and today I will be showing or demonstrating putting a 5-inch object, which will mimic a penis, which will be this rod. I've used it before in other videos. It's made out of wood, so this would be worst case because it's not, there's no give to it. It's not malleable at all, so it is what it is, so it's worst case. We'll be trying to insert this, which is a 5-inch circumference or 5-inch girth, into a model firm material that has a 5-inch hole. Okay, so I thought I would quickly show you how I measure circumference and or girth as I talk about it so much. So here's that rod, and here is a standard measuring tape. Tailors usually have this to measure your suit or what have you. So it would be such as this. It would just be here, and I would go around circumference, and it's about 5, if you can see there. So that's how it's done. Thank you. 5-inch hole, and it should go right in. And then we'll be trying it on a model with a 4.5-inch girth hole or 4.5-inch circumference of a hole. And it'll be firm as well. And as we remember that firm doesn't really like to stretch much. Soft, yes, soft will stretch, but firm doesn't stretch very much. And what I'm talking about is this is a 5-inch girth hole. So it, I don't know if you can see it, it'll stretch some, right? Um, but not so much. And of course, here's the model we're going to be using for the 4.5-inch, and it stretches a bit too, but not so much. Okay, so let's get to it. So 5-inch hole, 5-inch rod, if you will. So it goes in without a problem. As you can see, no problem, it goes right in. It to be expected. And now if we get a 4.5-inch hole in firm material, will this 5-inch rod, worst case, because it doesn't has no give, fit in this hole? So let's see. So let me see how we'll do this here. So we'll fit, and as you can see here, you could make it fit, but not so easily. What I'll do is I'll put some lubricant just to, take it the next step. So we'll put some lubricant because lubricant, well, it will help. So lubricant does help. So we'll put a little bit this, and this lubricant is it's really slippery, which is good, I suppose. So it's really, I'll put it down on this rod mimicking a penis. So now let's try to get this 5-inch circumference into this 4.5-inch hole. So I thought I would quickly show you the lube that I'm talking about. So we offer this lube on our website, and it's about 2 ounces, a little bit more, and it's quite slippery, as I mentioned. And yeah, so if you're interested in this lube, you could find it on our website. All right, thank you. 1/2-inch hole. So here, with lube, you can hear it. With lube, it will push its way in. We usually don't recommend um, putting a 5-inch into a 4.5, but at times because of the model, it just fits your needs, what you might need. You can see here that it can be done, but it's a snug fit. It's a snug fit, but it can be done. And I suppose if you start to lose your erection, it'll be not as snug. But there you go. It can be done. A 5-inch circumference into a 4.5-inch in firm. In soft, it's not a problem, and in soft, we actually recommend go about 1/2 inch lower than where your measurement is. So this is a 5. We usually recommend a 4.5. But in firm, we say stay with what you measure. But I'm breaking my own rule by showing you this. Um, but anyhow, this is I've been asked this question many times, so this is a video on that. Hope that helps. Thank you.